Now your Storm Track weather with meteorologist Becky Taylor.
Well, welcome back. It's 5:13 on this Friday morning, just about 5:14, and we've got a look out of our Junction City camera. We've got mostly clear skies, but there's a few clouds around, and even in our western counties, there may be a few sprinkles trying to fall from those clouds this morning. I kind of would be surprised if that was actually happening and it was actually reaching the ground today, but you know, we can all hope. We've got a look there at Junction City this morning. Another shot at our central Topeka camera where temperatures are a little bit on the chilly side again. We're at 49 degrees currently in Topeka. Dew points, this is why I think it's going to be really hard for that rain to reach the ground. Dew points are really low at 41. That's really dry air that rain would have to overcome this morning, but you know, we might get lucky to see a couple raindrops on the windshield out to the west today. Our wind speeds are about 5 to 10 miles per hour, mainly out of the south and east this morning, slightly stronger in our western counties, and that's keeping our temperatures just a little bit more mild this morning too. So heading through this afternoon, we'll likely see winds very similar to yesterday, about 10 or so miles per hour through the day. That'll give us some wind gusts around 15 miles per hour, and then our winds will become calm heading into the overnight hours. Starting off in the mid to upper 40s, low to mid 50s out to the west. We're at 44 at Lawrence, 46 in Hiawatha, 51 in Manhattan, 57 though in Concordia, and Junction City hanging out at 58 degrees right now. Through the rest of the day today, I think will be really similar to yesterday, so probably mid to upper 70s to the east, low possibly mid 80s to the west if we get a little bit more sunshine out there, but overall very similar temperatures to yesterday afternoon. Dropping back into the upper 40s to low 50s again tonight, and same story for tomorrow, just different day. We'll be in the upper 70s to low 80s again. Slightly cooler to the east, slightly warmer to the west, and very similar forecast for the next several days. Not really seeing a whole lot of change in our weather pattern for a little while, but there's a look at our satellite and radar. Like I was mentioning, we may get lucky enough to see maybe a couple spits or sprinkles out to the west this morning, but as it stands, very dry air at the surface. Would be surprised if we got some rain reaching the ground. Now as we zoom out here, I can show you that we've got that ridge still in place, so not a lot changing here. That ridge in the jet stream, in fact, way up into Canada this morning. We have this cutoff low over the west, and that's just going to kind of hang out over the Rockies for a few days. It doesn't have any wind. It's kind of, like I was saying, it became cut off from the jet stream, so the jet stream's not steering it right now, so it's just kind of spinning right over the Rockies here this morning. Now, we're going to continue to see that slowly push off to the east over the coming days. Hurricane Ian there off the coast of South Carolina. Now, future track for today, maybe a few clouds here and there, but that's about it. Apart from this morning's slight chance for sprinkles towards the west, I think we're going to be mainly dry. We'll be able to see a few more clouds coming in through the daytime tomorrow as well, but overall expecting a lot of sunshine through the next several days until we can get at least to the middle part of next week. So temperatures staying pretty steady. We'll see a slight warm up, probably into the lower to middle 80s by the time we get to the first part of next week. A few more clouds coming in Tuesday into Wednesday as that system over the Rockies finally makes its way towards us. Maybe a slight chance for a stray shower or two, but more likely will be dry. Another cold front tries to move through Wednesday and into Thursday, so high temperatures Thursday could be struggling to even make it to 70 degrees. Stay with us. We'll be right back after the break.